We live in uncertain times. The world is changing rapidly, and with it, our food supply chains are becoming more unpredictable. We've all seen the news reports of empty grocery store shelves and people scrambling to stock up on essentials. It's a stark reminder of how fragile our food system can be. In these moments, we realize just how dependent we are on external sources for our daily sustenance. Grocery stores aren't always reliable. Whether it's due to natural disasters, supply chain disruptions, or even global pandemics, there are times when the shelves are bare, and the items we need are nowhere to be found. This uncertainty can be stressful and unsettling, especially when it comes to feeding our families. We start to question the reliability of our food sources, and wonder if there's a better way to ensure we have access to fresh, healthy ingredients. Sometimes, you want to know exactly where your food comes from. You want to be sure that the vegetables on your plate are free from harmful pesticides and chemicals. You want to know that the food you're feeding your family is as fresh and nutritious as possible. Growing your own food gives you that peace of mind. It allows you to take control of what you eat and how it's grown. Plus, there's something incredibly satisfying about harvesting your own produce and knowing that you played a part in its journey from seed to table. That's where indoor gardening comes in. Indoor gardening offers a solution to many of the challenges we face with traditional outdoor gardening. It allows you to grow food year-round regardless of the weather outside. With the right setup, you can create a controlled environment that provides your plants with the perfect conditions to thrive. Whether you have a small apartment or a large house, there's an indoor gardening system that can fit your space and needs. It's about taking control of your food supply. When you grow your own food indoors, you're not at the mercy of external factors that can disrupt your access to fresh produce. You have the power to decide what to grow, how to grow it, and when to harvest it. This level of control can be empowering and reassuring, especially in uncertain times. Plus, indoor gardening can be a fun and rewarding hobby that brings a bit of nature into your home. It's about fresh, healthy ingredients right at your fingertips. Imagine being able to pick fresh herbs for your dinner, harvest ripe tomatoes for your salad, or grab a handful of leafy greens for your smoothie, all without leaving your home. Indoor gardening makes this possible. It ensures that you always have access to the freshest ingredients, which can make a big difference in the taste and nutritional value of your meals. Indoor gardening used to be intimidating. Not anymore. In the past, setting up an indoor garden required a lot of knowledge and effort. You had to understand the needs of different plants, figure out how to provide the right amount of light and water, and deal with issues like pests and diseases. It could be overwhelming, especially for beginners. But thanks to advancements in technology, indoor gardening has become much more accessible and user-friendly. New systems make it easier than ever. Modern indoor gardening systems are designed to take the guesswork out of growing your own food. They come with built-in lights, automated watering systems, and easy-to-follow instructions. Some even have smart features that allow you to monitor and control your garden from your smartphone. These innovations have made indoor gardening more convenient and enjoyable, even for those with no prior experience. That's what we're diving into today: the Eden Grow System. The Eden Grow System is one of the latest and most advanced indoor gardening solutions on the market. It's designed to make growing your own food as easy and efficient as possible. With its aeroponic technology, the Eden Grow System provides plants with the perfect balance of air, water, and nutrients, resulting in faster growth and higher yields. It's a game changer for anyone looking to become more self-sufficient and reduce their reliance on grocery stores. Can this aeroponic system turn anyone into a successful indoor farmer? Let's find out. We'll take a closer look at how the Eden Grow System works, explore its features and benefits, and hear from people who have used it to grow their own food. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete novice, you'll see how this innovative system can help you achieve your indoor gardening goals. This isn't just about fancy salads. This is about resilience. Growing your own food indoors is about more than just having access to fresh ingredients. It's about building a more resilient and sustainable lifestyle. It's about being prepared for whatever challenges may come your way, and knowing that you have the ability to provide for yourself and your loved ones. In a world that's constantly changing, having a reliable source of fresh food at home can give you a sense of security and peace of mind. Imagine a natural disaster, a supply chain disruption, whatever. In these scenarios, having your own indoor garden can be a lifesaver. It ensures that you have access to fresh, nutritious food even when external sources are unavailable. It's a proactive step you can take to safeguard your family's well-being and reduce your dependence on external food systems. Plus, it can be a great way to teach your children about sustainability and the importance of self-reliance. Having a reliable source of fresh food at home? That's peace of mind. It's about knowing that you have the ability to provide for yourself and your family, no matter what happens. It's about taking control of your food supply and making a positive impact on your health and well-being. So let's dive into the world of indoor gardening and discover how the Eden Grow system can help you achieve your goals. Whether you're looking to grow a few herbs or a full-fledged vegetable garden, there's an indoor gardening solution that's right for you. First impressions matter. When the Eden Grow system arrived, I was impressed. The packaging was sturdy and well-designed. Everything had its place. This matters, folks. It shows attention to detail. Inside, each component was carefully packed. Instructions were clear and concise, with helpful diagrams. They even included all the tools I needed. This isn't some cheap gadget, this is an investment, and right out of the box it felt like it. Now, let's talk assembly. I'm not known for my patience with complicated instructions, but I have to admit, putting the Eden Grow system together was surprisingly straightforward. The components fit together intuitively. The instructions were clear, with numbered steps and clear illustrations. It took me about an hour to assemble everything, and I even enjoyed the process. It felt like a well-designed piece of equipment. For my first Eden Grow adventure, I decided to start simple lettuce, spinach, and some herbs. The system uses an aeroponic method. This means the roots are suspended in the air and sprayed with a nutrient-rich solution. I'll admit I was skeptical at first, but the results were undeniable. The plants sprouted quickly and grew at an incredible pace. The lettuce was ready to harvest in just a few weeks, and it was some of the freshest, most flavorful lettuce I've ever tasted. The journey began with setting up the aeroponic system. It was surprisingly straightforward. I followed the instructions, assembled the parts, and soon had a fully functional indoor garden. The initial setup included a variety of herbs like basil, mint, and cilantro. I was excited to see how they would fare in this new environment. The aeroponic system works by misting the roots with a nutrient solution, providing the plants with everything they need to grow. This method is highly efficient, using less water than traditional soil gardening. As the days passed, I watched in amazement as the plants began to thrive. The roots, suspended in the air, were constantly being misted with nutrients, and the results were astonishing. The lettuce and spinach grew rapidly, their leaves lush and vibrant. The herbs, too, flourished, filling the room with their fresh, aromatic scents. It was a joy to see such rapid growth and to know that I was growing my own food in such an innovative way. Harvesting the lettuce was a particularly rewarding experience. In just a few weeks, the plants had grown to full size, and it was time to enjoy the fruits of my labor. The lettuce was crisp, fresh, and incredibly flavorful. It was a stark contrast to the store-bought varieties, which often lack the same level of freshness and taste. The spinach, too, was delicious, with a rich, earthy flavor that was perfect for salads and cooking. The herbs added another layer of satisfaction to the experience. Fresh basil, mint, and cilantro were always on hand, ready to be used in a variety of dishes. The convenience of having these fresh ingredients available at any time was a game-changer. It made cooking more enjoyable and added a new dimension to my meals. The aeroponic system had exceeded my expectations in every way, and I was thrilled with the results. Overall, my aeroponic growing journey has been an incredible experience. It has shown me the potential of this innovative method and the benefits of growing my own food. The ease of setup, the rapid growth, and the superior quality of the produce have all been highlights of this journey. I look forward to continuing to explore the possibilities of aeroponics and to enjoying the fresh, flavorful results of my efforts. Aeroponics isn't just a fancy word. It offers some serious advantages over traditional gardening. For starters, it's incredibly water efficient. The system recirculates the nutrient solution, so there's minimal waste. And because you're growing in a controlled environment, there are no weeds, pests, or soil-borne diseases to worry about. This means no pesticides or herbicides are needed, just pure, clean food. Troubleshooting Eden challenges and solutions. Now let's be honest, no system is perfect. Even the most advanced indoor gardening systems can face some challenges. But don't worry, because every problem has a solution. I did encounter a few minor hiccups along the way. For instance, there were times when the plants didn't seem to be growing as expected or the leaves started to turn yellow. The first time I set up the system, I didn't quite get the nutrient solution mixture right. It's crucial to follow the instructions carefully to ensure the plants get the right balance of nutrients. But the system has built-in sensors that monitor the pH and nutrient levels. These sensors are incredibly accurate and can detect even the slightest imbalance. It alerted me to the issue, and I was able to adjust the solution quickly. The real-time alerts are a lifesaver, especially for those who are new to indoor gardening. The Eden Grow app also provides helpful tips and troubleshooting guides. It's like having a gardening expert in your pocket. The app offers step-by-step instructions on how to fix common issues, from nutrient deficiencies to pest control. One of the most useful features is the troubleshooting guide. It breaks down each problem into manageable steps, making it easy to follow and implement solutions. For example, if you notice your plants are wilting, the guide will walk you through checking the roots, adjusting the water levels, and ensuring the plants are getting enough light. Light is another critical factor. The Eden Grow system allows you to adjust the light settings to mimic natural sunlight, ensuring your plants get the optimal amount of light they need to thrive. With these tools and resources, troubleshooting becomes a lot less daunting. You can enjoy the process of indoor gardening, knowing that help is just a tap away. So, embrace the challenges and watch your indoor garden flourish. If the grid goes down, the Eden Grow system does have a backup battery system. It's not a long-term solution, but it buys you some time to figure things out. For preppers or anyone concerned about self-sufficiency, the Eden Grow system is a valuable tool. It provides a reliable source of fresh food, even in challenging circumstances. Plus, it's incredibly efficient and takes up minimal space. The million-dollar question, is the Eden Grow system worth the investment? It's not cheap, I'll give you that. But if you're serious about indoor gardening, about taking control of your food supply, then I'd say absolutely. It's user-friendly, efficient, and produces incredible results. It's an investment in your health, your peace of mind, and your future. We're not just growing plants here, folks. We're growing a connection to our food, to our health, and to a more sustainable way of life. The Eden Grow system is more than just an appliance. It's a step towards a brighter, more resilient future, and that's something worth investing in.